I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming key prerequisites: your device model, OS build, and current battery health percent, so you know the baseline. Immediately disconnect chargers and hot accessories and remove any insulating case to reduce heat. Next, enable the built-in battery saver and shorten screen timeout to 15 to 30 seconds. This cuts obvious drains while you proceed. Once done, make sure background sync is restricted so the device doesn't resume heavy activity as you move into diagnostics and settings change. Now you dig into the system. Open battery usage and identify the top app consumers, then force stop or uninstall anything non-essential. While doing that, disable radios like Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS when you're not using them because they constantly probe and drain power. Make sure to limit background app refresh and revoke high-power permissions, such as location and background data for identified apps. Once configured, monitor CPU and wake lock activity. If an app still spikes, apply stricter restrictions or replace it with a lighter alternative. To finish, perform a calibration if your readings seem off. Fully charge to 100%, then run the device down to around 5% once, and repeat if necessary. Make sure your OS and firmware are up to date, and reserve a factory reset for persistent unexplained drains. If problems continue, troubleshoot by inspecting for swollen battery, testing a different certified charger, and using a fresh user profile to rule out software causes. If a hardware fault appears likely, seek professional repair promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.